ClickFunnels Review Overview. Because ClickFunnels is heavily focused around sales, it comes with easy ways to sell your products online at a click of a button, set up membership websites, build an email list, create an upsell page and more. When it comes to ease of use, nothing comes close to ClickFunnels. Some people might think it is expensive, but you need to think of what you're saving. You don't need to worry about hosting, developers, server maintenance, downtime, getting hacked. Once you add up those factors, ClickFunnels is actually really cheap. All you need to focus on is building a great sales page for your business. Even then, they have thousands of bonus templates you can use. It especially allows you to focus on what matters, and that's making money. You can add to your current website or use it as a standalone alternative. The platform makes it easy and fast for both inexperienced and experienced internet marketers to create high-conversion sales funnels. If you do not have a website, the platform allows live sales funnel without an expense of hosting and hassle of managing a normal website. You can also have a custom domain for every funnel you create. So you can pretty much host websites for all your ventures. Next in the review we will find out exactly how this tool can help people with their business. Click the link below this video for more updates. How does ClickFunnels work? ClickFunnels will allow you to incorporate all of the core sales and marketing elements needed to have an effective and functional sales funnel. These include landing pages, web hosting, autoresponders and much more. When compared to the traditional sales funnels, ClickFunnels helps you to save time and money. The platform has all the tools you need to run a successful online business. What this means is it makes it easier for you to get more customers, market to them, and make more profit faster. What is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a series of steps that will guide your customer through a sale, just like you would in real life. When someone buys a product off you in real life, you have the ability to upsell the customer on other items, and then sell to them again after you have their contact details. A sales funnel is one of the most basic and most needed concepts in digital marketing today. It can take a completely unknown company with the right copywriter into a multi-million-dollar company in very little time. A variety of products and services are using sales funnels. This is a skill that needs fine-tuning, but when mastered it can upsell products and services with ease. When thinking of a sales funnel shape, imagine an oil funnel. It is wide at the top to capture lots of product. In a sales funnel, this upper portion is typically where the net is cast to capture a bunch of people that may have shown interest in products or services that the marketer is offering. This top layer is simply building brand awareness as well. It is the first step to getting someone to click on your offer. It should be compelling and targeted for the market. A good compelling offer that will entice your readers to click and find out more. This needs to include enough details to pique their interest. If you want to learn more about sales funnels and see what makes them work, then make sure you also check out our lead funnels review. Funnel layers. The next layer is a more interested group of people. You have gotten them to click on your offer and now it's time to give them more details of the offer. This is a good place to maybe add an upscale or bundle packages as well. As they travel down the funnel there will be a compelling story that will lead them into their purchase. The number of layers is really dependent on the builder. And there are different kinds of funnels as well. Some examples are open and closed sales funnels. In an open sales funnel the product or service can be purchased at any time. This style of the funnel is great for membership offers or low-priced offer. And, in closed sales funnels, there is offer scarcity. This means that you can only get this one time. Closed funnels are more high pressure than open funnels. Choose good timing for your funnel. For example, if you are offering something to homeowners, the funnel should probably go out in the evening when homeowners are typically home. And, avoid holiday weekends. Nobody is looking for opportunities while grilling and enjoying their family. These seem like pretty obvious things, but sometimes a funnel lasts for a bit. Especially an email series style funnel, having that final step in the funnel reach your now very narrowed down audience on a holiday could blow all your results. Tell a compelling story. Some funnels are done via email and are used to simply walk the person through a story. This style of funnel needs to have a good story that compels people to follow and in the end, get ready to buy. However you form your funnel, the idea is that each layer you are getting your prospect closer to being a client. The goal is to warm them up to the idea and really want to buy from you. Software like ClickFunnels makes this easy. Think of it like a salesperson in a website form. Running 24/7. What business wouldn't want that? This is why you need a sales funnel. Click the link below this video for more updates. Why use a sales funnel? If you are looking for a way to market your products or services online, you'll quickly realize the value of a sales funnel. A sales funnel helps you drive targeted traffic to a series of landing pages to achieve a desired action. The action may be a sale, downloading software, or building an email marketing list. The process of building a sales funnel can be long and complex, which is why you need a platform such as Clickfunnels. In this article, we will discuss all you need to know about Clickfunnels. You can also get a Clickfunnels coupon from our friends at Markenblog. Thanks for watching this video.